Is your family addicted to electronics? Turning off everyone's phones, computers, TVs, and tablets may sound like an impossible task.
Or a nightmare, but our mom strategist says, you know what, it can be done. And she shows us a way that's fun for the whole family and a great opportunity to really connect.
I love technology, but let's face it, technology can completely destroy communication and connection in a family. And one of the things that I recommend is that every family go on an electronic fast. First, make sure your family knows exactly the electronics that you're going to be fasting. Is it going to be the computer, the cell phone, video games, or something else? Be clear. And then next, you want to decide on the time period for the fast. Is it one day? Is it 1 week? Or is it 1 month or a consistent time every year? And most importantly, make sure your family knows what the rules are and that they clearly understand those and there's no wiggle room for that or for misunderstanding. So if your teens are like my teens, they'll look for plenty of opportunities to get out of the electronic fast. Now you're going to have plenty of opportunity to connect as a family, to play a game together, to take a walk, and to simply communicate and talk. Remember, when Mama's happy, everyone else is happy. I'm Mia Redrick, America Now.